Learners notice way more than we think. The way that you act in class will most likely be copied by the learners as they see what you do and how you act. But let me make it abundantly clear. Strong-minded students don't care what a weak teacher says or thinks. They will actively do things to trigger you instead of modeling good behavior. Be strong, kind, and helpful in class, because that is what good people should do. But do not disillusion yourself by thinking that if you act like a saint, that they will follow. Unless you come from a place of strength, they will not follow you wherever you try and lead them. Human beings are keenly aware of fairness in social situations. Nothing quite gets us as upset as when we are treated unfairly, and therefore teachers need to be consistent in the way that they apply the rules. When punishing students, make sure that they understand that it's not you versus them, it is them versus the rules. They have decided to behave in a way that breaks the rules and thus will receive the previously agreed to punishment. They should never see you as the enemy, but merely the one enforcing the rules. To make sure they understand this, tell them that you are not punishing them. You are punishing the undesired behavior. You like them, but you want them to behave appropriately in class and change the unwanted actions that got them into trouble in the first place. Remember to be clear. Crafty students will try to play on your emotions. They will attempt to sway you by saying things like, "Sir, it was only this once. You are being unfair. You would never punish Betty like this. Why do you always pick on me? It wasn't even that bad." Or they might try to manipulate you first, swearing that they will never do it again. Then they fake anger and claim injustice at their treatment. Do not waver. They really don't care about these things. Those are lies to manipulate and sway your judgment. So if you are inconsistent, you will definitely lose your class. But that still isn't the magic sauce to classroom management. You've seen those teachers that cannot be bargained with. They are strict and have no time for squabbles. Their word is law, and even if they are unjust, students don't criticize them back. In this view, we know that consistency, although a very good idea, is not the sole panacea for classroom control.